Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. Once again, we'll be doing an unboxing. I just came back from a holiday in the Philippines, and this is one of the coins that I bought recently when I was away. So we're just gonna open it up and see what they are. I know it's gonna be something interesting again. I know you like uh, different varieties of coin, and yes, this is one of it. Okay, so okay, it's empty, and just to let you know, it's a truck shipping, and you'll see the price. It's $5.20 for it. See, which is more safer, of course. And this is what I purchased. This was actually offered to me by the seller, and also for you to know, the seller is CC Coins and Antique from Callum Connolly of www.cccoins.co.nz. See, and I have a discount as well. I see 15% discount using this code. See, nice one. So this is the ones that I purchased, and it's all here except for this one. And in the past, he always gave me a freebie, so I think this is a freebie that was given to me by CC Coins. See, it's a coin of Arcadius. And by the way, he specializes in ancient coins, old coins, like you see. So a whole bunch of them. So just gonna rip it out, and I think it's on one of these big papers. So one of these uh, bags. Oh, I know it takes time to to open it up, but it is an unboxing. So just bear with me, and we'll see what's inside. Oh, so these are ancient coins, and he sells coins that are already named, or have the identity, or rather it's already been identified. See, so this is a coin of Constantianus. He's the son of Constantine the Great. So as far as I know, I think it's a 10 coin that I bought. So if this is 10, this is a freebie, in which I believe it is a freebie. So this is a coin of Galenus, or Gallienus. It's from Mediolanum. It was minted. Just need to do research on this one. I don't know where Mediolanum is. Maybe in Greece, maybe, I don't know. But you can see as well, it's been identified. See the reference at the back, the ID. Uh, so it's properly identified and documented. This one, another coin of Constantianus, and it is from Constantinople, or in Istanbul, Turkey. Some are unknown, maybe it's not readable, that's why. And this one is from it's unknown, but it's another coin of Constantianus, the son of Constantine the Great, and this one is balanced, and it is from Alexandria in Egypt. So let us open this one from Alexandria. So you see, oh, here we go. So only expert would know, or numismatists would know how to identify these old ones. And this is balance. This one is another coin of Constantianus, or Constantius the second. Constantius, the son of Constantine the Great. This one is another Constantius the second from Constantinople or Istanbul, Turkey. And this one is Pocas, also from Constantinople. Yes, Constantinople. But this is a latter one from 602 AD, 602 to 610. Same as this one. Focus. And same as this one. Constantinople. It's good, it's identified where it's minted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I bought 10 and I have a freebie. Nice one, Arcadius. So there you go. So I got an additional 11 coins in total. So it's a nice addition. I know there's a lot of people who like ancient coins, so yeah, try buying from him. CC Coins and Antiques. Right. So thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my video for coins and stamps, and even the travel video or some random stops that I upload. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day.